Now you gotta glue the ears to this. Let's see the way the ears are. Bless
Yes,
you.
you,
Bless
yes,
you.
you.
There you go.
And where's the,
I'll get the ears.
Okay.
finish your
You
ear?
see the ears? How they are?
I need some scissors.
When you're
I need
ready,
some scissors.
you need scissors? Okay, let me go get some scissors. Here, Elsa.
Wait, can I see
What?
it?
I'm gonna go get my glasses.
Yeah. There's only like one left. I'll get the other one. Anthony!
No, you missing this.
Piece of cake, Eric.
Look the picture.
Where?
Look the picture right there.
See the picture?
Look at Mom. Chris and Ray are worse than the kids.
You missing the
Everybody can see in out of the kitchen
What's
now.
that?
the nose.
Okay, now we need the. Oh, I went to get my glasses.
And
Did you have it on right now?
Let me borrow your glasses real quick.
again.
Aren't we supposed to put
You
this
missing
in
the.
You could, yeah, yeah.
You missing the nose. Nose and the.
But I don't know what this is.
Well, let me see.
The bunny?
The nose.
You have three different ones.